I was very nervous when I first got here because it's my first internship. I could not have asked for more out of an internship. So yeah, I'm very, very happy that I chose DDC.
I just can't imagine another place that can give me this much experience and exposure as DDC.
Just apply. It's been a really rewarding experience, and you will definitely learn a lot, and it's very different than being in school.
You will be acquainted with professionals on their specific field. Department of Design and Construction, it brings you and it gives you a major step forward for you to achieve your goals.
Since DDC manages almost all those construction projects in the city, you get to learn a lot about this city.
My favorite thing about my summer experience would be the site visits. It's my first time going on any construction site.
It's one thing being able to read about a situation, a problem, about civil engineering in general, and it's another thing to be on site with your PPE and speaking to the contractor and seeing it in person.
Engage in every activity with your staff and colleagues. Learn a lot. Don't get shy to ask questions.
My favorite thing has been asking a lot of questions. Really helped me figure out what kind of work I look for in the future.
All the people here at DDC, they push you to want to be better, they push you to want to go for your dreams. It is an overall great internship for anybody in the engineering, architecture, and design field. I think it's wonderful, and I think anybody would be lucky enough to be a part of this.